So, hello, beautiful souls. A warm welcome to my channel, Seers of Light, and my Facebook page, Seers of Light. Today, I have brought a beautiful video on protection about spiritually. So, why it is important to be protected and what is spiritual protection? We tend to go to the environment or meet people or places. If the environment would be positive or places or person would be positive, you tend to absorb a positive energy, while it same applies for negative energy too. So this protection is applied for not absorbing the negative energies of person, places or environment. So I will be giving a quick steps. As you understand, everything is about positive or negative energy we are surrounded with, and it is equally very important because if we absorb a negative energies, so we tend to get so sad, sometime low or depressed. So I will be telling you few small steps to how to protect your energy. So just follow with me the instruction that I am telling you. You need to close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. So when you will take deep breaths, you have to visualize that you are inhaling positive light or positive energy from your nose, or you are exhaling all negative energies or worries, fears, anything which is negative from your mouth in the form of dark energy. Okay, you are releasing everything which is negative inside your body. So you have to take 3 deep breaths. You can also do another steps also, like if you don't want to exhale from mouth, you can exhale from your nose. The process will remain same. Okay? Okay? So, second, you have to do what? You have to ground yourself. So grounding is much more necessary. So you have to just close your eyes and you have to think that there is a root coming from your base chakra and it is going inside to Mother Earth. Okay, so Mother Earth is very grateful, is very great. Okay, she absorbs all kind of negative things from our body, from our environment. So she takes everything to her body. So you have to see that you are just putting the roots are coming from your base chakra and it is going deep down to the Mother Earth. Okay, so grounding is very necessary. Now what you have to see, you have to visualize. This all process is all about visualization. Okay, so you have to seal your aura. So you have to close your eyes like this, and you have to see that there is a white balloon or pink balloon, whatever color you resonate with more. You have to visualize that, and before visualization you have to ask your archangels, your spirit guides, your god goddesses, whichever religion you belong to help you in this process. So see, this is very important. Okay, we are being assisted, guided by our god goddess or archangels or spirit guides. Okay, or elementals, whomsoever you belong, you believe in it. Okay, so belief is more important than actually following anything. So if you don't believe it in anyone, don't do. Okay, so you have to ask them to assist in this process. The visualization is very simple. You have to see that there is a pink or white balloon around your body. You can also think of pyramid. You can also double its effect, like seeing a balloon and all also. Then a second layer for pyramid, and ask your archangels or angels, spirit guide, yeah, fairies, to seal the aura so that there won't be any leakage during the process of cleaning. So cleaning is much more important. See, if we are in the negative zone, understand this process. If we are in negative zone, the like attracts like. Okay, the energy which I have read, if see, in our normal days also, in our normal life also, we tend to attract with certain kind of people who vibrate in certain frequency. If we are if we are vibrating in a high frequency, we attract good people, a positive people. While we are in a negative zone, we tend to attract the negative people in our life, or negative energies in our life. So sealing this aura is very important. The next step would be, then you have to see there is a white sparkling light coming from your crown chakra. There is a chakra. Now in my next videos and upcoming videos I will upload, so importance of chakras and the issues or things which is associated with our chakras, and how we can heal those chakras to attract abundance in our life. So you have to see that there is white light or white sparkling light which is following from our crown chakra to ajna chakra to throat chakra. This is throat chakra, this is the place. Then the heart chakra, then your solar plexus come, then sacral below the navel, and then root chakra. So then you have to think that all the negative energies is going deep below the mother earth. So you have to think that as the white light is flowing from your crown chakra towards the base chakra and body, all the negativity, whatever the emotions you have, in case you have any kind of unforgiveness, any kind of anger, frustration, anxiety, any kind of fear, phobias, anything which is going out and deep down towards the mother earth, and she is receiving. You have to visualize that mother earth, mother Gaia is receiving all your negative feeling, your negative emotions to herself. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just ask your angels and spirit guides to just seal entire. After cleaning, you have to thank you. So there is importance of thanksgiving in any process. So in my money magic video also, you have seen that I was talking about how to attract money, and what is the importance of gratitude towards money that we have to show to attract more money into our life. So gratitude giving is much more important, because when we are more thankful, we also attract the same thankfulness and same abundance in our life. If we are thankless, we won't attract much. This is a universal law, and this is also written in many places, many books, many writers has also written, and this is being practically applied personally by me. So since 1 year I am doing all these spiritual practices, and what implications they had in my life is you can see the effect now. So a year back and now. So this is how I don't give any kind of remedies which is not applicable, which I have myself not applied on me. So you have to just think of before going. Okay, so now you have to thank your archangels, your god goddesses. Personally, what I do, I tend to call my spirit guides or archangels or gods to assist me in the process. Plus in the last of the entire process, I thank them for whatever assistance they have given me. ठीक है, so you have to take protection from them. Okay, so you have to thank them also. So this is how you can protect. Okay, so hope you like this video, and if you want any kind of other videos for me to tell you, and in upcoming videos I will also be telling how to protect against many things. So stay tuned with me, and please do comment and share this particular video to your friends, and subscribe to my channel by Seers of Light. It is there, and I'm present in Instagram also, and all the description is there in YouTube channel, so you can see all the description in Seers of Light, and you can also, for personal appointment, you can call me in my number. Okay, bye, good night.